to again go to the settings. I go to the settings and I show the mouse icons activation. For this I tap on accessibility and tap on dexterity and interaction and tap on assistant menu, and I on the assistant menu. Here you can see touchpad and cursor settings. I tap on cursor size medium and cursor size large and cursor speed normal. Now I go to the screen and tap on assistant menu. Here I find out cursor and tap on cursor. You can see the mouse is showing. I can all activities by this mouse. You can see I drag the interface and I open the folder. Under here you can see Google and another apps are available. All the activities can do by this mouse. Hope you can understand how to activate cursor and mouse on your Android device. If you want to deactivate the mouse, you have to go to the settings. For this I open settings and tap on gear icon, and I find out accessibility and tap on accessibility and tap on dexterity and interaction and tap assistant menu, and I off the assistant menu. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you can understand how to use cursor and mouse on Android device. Thank you.